Hello guys, I have an unboxing for you. I'm obsessed with buying things and this is my new item. What gives excitement to my life is just getting new things. So I'm just so excited every time that I get something and I'm gonna show you. So I'm gonna sell it in this bathroom, which is my baby's. Because as you can see, it comes with that one, so I think that will help me bathe him with that thing, whatever you call this. And it's all done. You can change it any type of direction. I probably like just straight on, and then you have this that you can use for anything you want, from cleaning to hello rain, nice pressure, and then you can switch it right here, and then this will show water. Super cool.